All right, be honest. How many times have you stared at a blank email when you needed to send a quick project update or make an important request? Stop reinventing the wheel every single time. Today, I'm going to show you how AI can generate tailored, professional email templates in seconds, freeing you from that blank screen. Here's the deal. Crafting clear professional emails for recurring scenarios, think project updates, bug reports, feature requests, or team announcements, is a massive time sink. It can lead to delays as you procrastinate, inconsistent messaging across your team, or, let's face it, poorly written communications that don't land right. Your valuable time should be spent on your actual work, not on drafting the perfect opening line. So, how do we fix this? We leverage AI. Let me show you. I'm going to demonstrate prompting an LLM with a common scenario. Imagine you need to inform stakeholders about a project delay. Instead of struggling, I'll type something like this. Draft a professional email to stakeholders regarding a delay in Project Phoenix. Explain the reason is a critical dependency on external API integration, taking longer than expected. Provide a new estimated completion date of next Friday, and suggest a follow-up meeting to discuss the revised timeline in detail. Look at that. In moments, the AI generates a structured, polite, and informative email. It hits all the key points: a clear subject line, an apology, the specific reason for the delay, a new ETA, and a call to action for a follow-up. But we're not done. The real power is in refinement. I can refine the tone, make it sound more urgent and proactive, or specify placeholders, add and placeholders, or even add a specific call to action. Include a sentence asking them to reply to confirm their availability for the follow-up. The AI adjusts, creating a perfectly tailored template ready for you to fill in the final details. The benefits are huge. This workflow saves you significant time daily, ensuring your professional communications are always top-notch and consistent. It drastically reduces your mental effort, so you're not burning brain cycles on email syntax. And most importantly, it helps maintain clear, efficient lines of communication with team members and stakeholders, fostering trust and clarity. You're communicating effectively, not just sending words. So here's your sticky takeaway. Blank emails are a thing of the past. AI empowers your professional communication. How much time do you think this could save you each week? Let me know in the comments. If this trick levels up your email game, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing tech hacks. Next time, we're going even deeper into AI's capabilities, learning how to use it to generate edge cases you didn't even think of. You won't want to miss it.